Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Jet, where tech meet hustle. Today I'm going to share with you a simple application that can help you make extra income while you are home, during your vacation, or during your leisure time. If you're a student, any businessman, or somebody who is just looking for a way to make an extra income while on your free time, this video is best for you. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Before we get into the video, if you're new on the channel, please make sure to subscribe, like our video, leave a comment in the comment section so that anytime we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. With this said, let's get straight to the video. See, I'm already in the platform. As you can see here, we have learned how to earn free gift cards with Swagbucks. Shoppers like you have already received this amount of money in cashback from using what Swagbucks. Now you can see this platform offers you a free $10 bonus for just signing up with them. So when you sign up for the first time or you log in into your account, you receive a free $10 bonus already without doing anything at all. Now the most amazing thing is that this platform literally pays you to do everything that you normally do on a daily basis, like browsing or research, watching videos, buying things online, playing games. Now it sounds crazy, it sounds too good to be true, but it's really true. It's a legit platform that you can really make cash really from doing all these things that you normally do in your day-to-day life. So this app or this platform decide to pay you for doing what you already do online every day. Now they are going to pay you for just watching videos, browsing or doing research, buying things online. So when you buy something online, you get a discount or a cashback or free cashback for using their platform to purchase the item. Also, when you play games like you normally do on your leisure time, you also get payment for that. Also, when you do research or you search for anything at all on the platform, it's like a browser that you use, like the Google Chrome or the Safari or this Phonics browser, or all these browsers that you use to do your research. You can also do a research on this platform, and when using this platform you get paid for just using their platform to do this research. It's amazing. So I'm going to walk you through how you can literally use the app to make your first 100 to what $200 on this platform. You can see how it works. So you can see when you join them, you can earn your SB, that's the swagback points. So you shop in store or online, you watch entertaining videos, you play games, search the web, you answer surveys, and find great deals to earn points. So these are the major ways you can make money from this platform. Now I will show you bit by bit each of them how it works. So you can see here you get what free gift cards. You can redeem your point for gift card to your favorite retailers like Amazon or Walmart, to name a few, or get cash back from PayPal. Now, so the first way you can also earn money is what when you shop online using this platform. So you can see here, when you shop you get what cashback shopping at over 1,500 retailers including Amazon, Walmart, Target, and Starbucks. Earn SB points for every dollar you spend, plus get access to what exclusive deals and coupons to your favorite retailers. So this is one of the ways you can earn cash from this platform. You can earn by shopping through their platform. You can see it here. The next way you can earn from this platform is when you answer questions or surveys. So you can answer questions or surveys from this platform and you get paid for that. So because many people have designed new ideas, new platforms, new applications, and then new products. So they want you to test them, or they want to get your idea or what you think about this product. They want to find out how good or bad their product is. So they will ask you some few questions. You answer the questions. For your time, they will pay you for that, because you are going to give them a good feedback or a bad feedback that can help them improve their product. So in return they will pay you for your time and then your energy that you put into this survey. So you share your opinions and get free gift cards and SB point when you answer fan surveys and polls. That is how it is. You can see here online surveys. Now the next way to also get paid is when you do research. You are looking for something online, you don't know anything about it, so you want to find out more about the thing. You can go to their search engine and then do your research and you get paid because you have used their search engine. It will also help them what? Become viral, become popular, so that many people will get to know that their search engine is good. So in return, they will pay you for using their search engine to do your research work. So that is it. In SB points, when you search the web using our Yahoo powered search engine. So that is it. So you can also sign up and start earning SB points. You can also get payment through what? Playing games. So the next way you can make money is by playing games on this platform. Get free gift card for playing games. You can earn SB points when you make in-game purchase through our partners at GSN, or play our original free games and earn randomly. So this is another way you can make a legitimate cash from this platform. And the last one, you can also make a quick and cool cash is by watching videos. So you can see here, you can watch, and you can even see the amount here. When you watch every video, you can see it here. After you watch the video, you get paid for that. So you can see earn free gift cards when you shop, answer surveys, and watch videos on the go. So before you can start earning, go ahead, sign up and start logging into your account and start using one of these features of the platform and get paid after performing or completing the task. People also ask, does Swagbucks really pay real money? You can see the answers here. Yes, Swagbucks pay users for what? Completing various tasks, though not in traditional money but in SB point, that is Swagbuck points, which can be redeemed for real money via PayPal or gift cards. Now I'm going to show you one important thing here. Can you make about $100 a day with Swagbucks? You can see the answer here. Yes, you can earn about 100 a day with Swagbucks by taking surveys and completing online activities. Users can earn money with what? Swagbucks online and on what? The Swagbucks app. It is possible to make about 100 a day with what? Swagbucks, with consistent use. Now, how do you withdraw your money after making this money? You can literally withdraw it through PayPal or gift card. So if you have a PayPal account, it's good for you to sign up for an account on this platform and start earning straight away. So if you want to install this application, you can see it here. This is the logo. You can get it on the Play Store and also on the App Store. So go ahead, install it, or also go to your browser and search for Swagbucks and start earning. So this is all for today. Thank you for coming, and I'm hoping to see you on the next content. Love you.